Welcome to French from the Start, Season 2 of High Frequency French, the series that teaches your French through immersive stories set in real-life situations. For intermediate learners, try out Season 1 with short French stories. Here we are. With my partner, we are moving from our 2-bedroom flat apartment in Paris to our new house in the south of France. It's early morning and the moving truck has just arrived. Let's get you up to scratch with some key phrases for moving day. As we start, I realize we still have a lot to pack. How would you say packing? Faire les cartons. Faire les cartons. Which translates to do the boxes, but it means packing or pack the boxes. Faire les cartons. We begin in the kitchen, surrounded by pots, pans, and dishes. How would you ask where to put something? Où est-ce qu'on met ça? This literally translates to where do we put that, which is exactly what you say in English too. Où est-ce qu'on met ça? Où est-ce qu'on met ça? My partner is trying to lift a heavy box of books. How would you say, be careful, it's heavy? Fais attention, c'est lourd. Fais attention, c'est lourd. Be careful, it's heavy. Fais attention, c'est lourd. Our friends have now arrived to help us. One of them notices me struggling with a large mirror. Now, my friend asks if I want help carrying it. She says, "Tu veux de l'aide?" which is a common phrase for offering help. It literally translates to, "Do you want some help?" Tu veux de l'aide? Tu veux, do you want, de l'aide, some help. Tu veux de l'aide? Tu veux de l'aide? How would you accept their help? Oui, s'il te plaît. S'il te plaît, as you may know, is please. Oui, s'il te plaît. You could add, c'est gentil, merci. This means, that's very kind, thanks. C'est gentil, merci. After hours of packing and carrying, we're finally ready to leave. But wait, did we forget anything? How would you ask if everything is in a moving truck? First, how would you say moving truck? Camion. Moving truck. Camion. Est-ce que tout est dans le camion? Is everything in the truck? Est-ce que tout est dans le camion? When remembering camion, truck, think of a big camping vehicle, similar to camion, camion. Everything seems to be packed. How would you say, we can leave now? On peut partir maintenant. Maintenant is now. On peut is we can. Partir is leaving. On peut partir maintenant. After a long drive, we've arrived at our new home in south of France. The sun is setting. We start unloading. How would you say the furniture? Les meubles. Les meubles. How would you say the sofa? Le canapé. Le canapé. Canapé also means appetizer. It's the same word for both the sofa and the small savory appetizer. How would you say a plate? Une assiette. Une assiette. It's late, and we're exhausted, but happy to be in our new home. How would you say I'm tired? Je suis fatigué. Je suis fatigué. As we finish unloading, our friends suggest getting some food to celebrate. We decide to order pizzas. How would you say, that's a great idea? C'est une bonne idée. That's a great idea. C'est une bonne idée. C'est une bonne idée. And that's it for our Moving Day French lesson. I hope you've learned some useful phrases for your next move. À bientôt!